Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you quickly how to recover any deleted files from your micro SD card. So you deleted a photo or a video or a document and you still need it, but you have removed it from your micro SD card. Today I'm going to show you how to recover that to your micro SD card. Open the My Files folder, this one, or File Manager. It depends on phones. On some phones it's blue, on others it's orange. File Manager or My Files, open that, go to SD card, press the three dots. In the three dots you will see Trash. In Trash, just hold down the picture or the video you want to recover, or select everything and then press Restore All. You will be able to restore everything back to your micro SD card. If you want to delete everything, you just press Delete All. That's how to recover deleted files in a micro SD card. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. See you in the next one.